Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Spanish Town bypass. But we're going to talk about a major road project that the government or the Prime Minister announced yesterday in Parliament. Now, the Prime Minister announced that an interchange is going to be built in the Caymanas area, that's in St. Catherine, to connect both major highways in Jamaica and also Mandela Highway. So we have two main highways that take you into and out of the city of Kingston. You have Highway 2000, the east-west leg, that you enter. If you're leaving the city of Kingston, you enter off Mandela Highway. You have Highway 2000 north-south leg, where you also enter from Mandela Highway. But the two highways are not interconnected via an exit or a ramp. Basically, if you're on Highway 2000 and you want to let's simplify. The Highway 2000 east-west leg is called the PJ Patterson Highway. That's the road that runs from Kingston to Maypen right now. Highway 2000 north-south leg, that's the road that runs from Kingston to Ocho Rios, was renamed the Edward Seaga Highway. So if you're driving from Maypen and you want to go to Ocho Rios, you'd have to take the PJ Patterson Highway, exit in Spanish Town or exit on Mandela, and then drive on Mandela let's do it one at a time. You exit in Spanish Town and then drive through Spanish Town and get on the Edward Seaga Highway that takes you to Ocho Rios. So there is no exit on the PJ Patterson Highway that can take you directly on to the Edward Seaga Highway. So the Prime Minister announced last night that an interchange is going to be built where you can drive and exit off the PJ Patterson Highway and go directly onto the Edward Seaga Highway, and vice versa. You can drive from the Edward Seaga Highway all the way onto the PJ Patterson Highway. So that's something that's definitely needed. It will definitely help with the flow of traffic, and that way the island will really be interconnected via a highway network. In other words, you could drive from Montego Bay all the way to Ocho Rios, or there's another highway that takes you there. But basically, you can drive right around the island on the highways, never having to come off. So that's an excellent project, and we will definitely keep you guys updated on it. Now, the interchange is going to be built in the Caymanas area. It's going to be the Caymanas Interchange, unless they change the name. But it's going to be in the Caymanas area, and that is where the entrance to the Edward Seaga Highway is. And when you look at the design of that highway, there is a 4-lane or even a 6-lane road that comes all the way back out to Mandela, and then it stops. So I'm assuming that is where they're going to have the interchange, right at that spot where the north-south highway intersects with Mandela Highway, and they'll just have an overpass or something taking you from the PJ Patterson Highway to intersect there. But it's definitely a very good project. And remember, Highway 2000 is a toll road, so persons are going to pay toll to use that road. So excellent idea. You have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. And also the interchange will include Mandela Highway. So Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. It is the busiest road in Jamaica, so it's only fitting that you can get on that highway, that interchange, to get on any highway in Jamaica, or to get on Highway 2000, because there are other highways that are on the north coast. From Mandela Highway as well, so that's very important. So basically 2/3 of the Jamaican population will have access to that interchange, because the city of Kingston has 1 million people And the main road into and out of the city of Kingston is Mandela Highway. Then you have the persons going from the city of Kingston to Portmore will have access to that interchange. And also going to Spanish Town, persons leaving the city of Kingston going to Spanish Town will have access to that interchange. So it's very important that they build that interchange. And we really have to give the government credit for the, how would you say, the dedication they have given to improving these road networks, because this is just one project. They announced that they're extending Highway 2000 to Black River, to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. So the highway 2000 is to go all the way to Montego Bay. And you will access that highway from the interchange they're building. It currently ends in Maypen. Their Maypen to Williamsfield leg will be opened in August of this year. And then yesterday the government announced the Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth leg of the highway will start this year also. So a lot of progress going on with these highways. And then you have the Southern Coastal Highway being built that takes you from Harborview to Port Antonio. And then you have the Northern Coastal Highway, which is being upgraded from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios to 4 lanes, and bypasses will be built. So a lot of progress going on in Jamaica re these highways. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these projects, and as soon as they announce timelines, etc., we will let you guys know. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.